Telling the time in English. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. What time is it? It's 2:05. What time is it? It's 2:10. What time is it? It's 2:15. What time is it? It's 2:20. What time is it? It's 2:25. What time is it? It's 2:30. What time is it? It's 3:25. What time is it? It's 3:20. What time is it? It's 2:45. What time is it? It's 2:50. What time is it? It's 2:55. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. O'clock. 5 past. 10 past. 1/4 past. 20 past. 25 past. 1/2 past. 25 to. 22. 1/4 to. 10 to. 5 to. Thanks for joining us in learning about telling the time. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing telling the time in your daily activities. Happy learning and see you in the next video.